Hi, we are Team 83, which goes by the name of ProCode. We have chosen the category of multi-user remote collaboration, and our topic for this presentation is nowhere. Coming to the problem statement that we are tackling, in remote collaboration, the most common scenario is a user working remotely or on-site, and he needs certain help from someone on a problem that he's facing. We propose a solution to this very common problem, nowhere. A centralized knowledge sharing portal which will have such solutions published and questions asked by other users which can then be referred from anywhere. So the first step is to either log in or sign up for Nowhere, which takes you to the home screen and opens up a lot of options and interactions with entities such as user account, in which I can see the people who have followed me, the people who I am following, and the tags that I've followed, the posts that I've made, the questions that I've asked, and other people can interact with these, such as they can go to a tag page where they can view all the recent posts that on that category, and they can view a post and maybe like a post and comment on that post. We also provide a feature of replies, so let's say if I comment, somebody else can correct me in a reply and or maybe add something that is useful to my comment. And these are the comment interactions. We also have the post feed in which I can view all the posts. I can sort them by date in ascending and descending order or by likes, and I can filter them by name of the user, maybe the title of the post, description of the post, or the tags. And I can view all the posts, and if I go to a post that I have created, I can see that this is a general structure of a post in which somebody has already commented, and I have the ability to mark the comment as useful as the author, so that other people who are visiting my post can see which comments were useful. I can also edit my post to any extent. I can add tags, or maybe attach files to the post, so it would be more relevant to the post. I can also see that my post has been updated, but I need to refresh so that the header picture is applied on the post. I can see the files that I have uploaded are present here, and I can download. The files are available for everyone who is visiting the post, so I can also delete the post, and you can see that my post is deleted. So if I sign in as some other user, let's say Arpit, and what I can do is I can see like what other interactions other users have made to my posts. So I can see that somebody has commented on my post, and I can mark that as useful or maybe not useful, or I can like or reply to them as shown before. And we also have tags, separate tags. We can follow certain tags so that we can see a custom feed based on those tags only. And we also have a question section in which I can post a question and somebody can answer just like in comments, and I can mark those comments as useful to show the users visiting that this comment helped me to resolve my post. So I can also mark my own post as resolved or not resolved, and there is this option of following and unfollowing the users, and that's it. We also have some more features, but that exceeds the time, so we are not able to show everything. Thank you.